Hello, entrepreneurs. Would you like to make money by giving out surveys? Would you like to get money by watching videos? Would you like to make money by watching someone's websites? Then yes, this is the right place where you have come up with. When you watch this complete video, you will be getting all the insights whether this site is genuine or not. Okay. Before talking that, what you need to do is below this video you would find my subscribe button. You just need to subscribe because every day I make a lot of videos on how to make passive income, and even I do have a #1 recommendation which I personally follow and where I make thousands of dollars on a daily basis. So if you want to have the training, then yes, what I'm doing it you just need to check out this particular site where I actually follow. All right, so the site which I'm talking about is TimeBucks, where you would be making tons of money just by paying your reviews. Okay, you get paid by paying your reviews. All right, so what you need to do with this company is below the description there's a link. You just need to join in so that you can get that bonus $1 when you join from that particular link. All right, so that is one. You can either join in with your social medias or you can even join in with sign up button. All right, so once you join in, what happens is you would see a bonus $1, and after that there is a link where you would be earning a lot of income from doing little basic tasks like watching videos, giving out your reviews, and yes, there's a lot of things which you can do it. All right, so you would see tons of money which you can make it. And you can see there's a bonus which I got paid, and after that today is my 48 cents is my earnings. Okay, so that is one thing. And even on referring this particular information, you get 15% commissions on a lifetime earnings of anyone who referred to TimeBucks, plus 50% commission on their free money winnings. Okay, what is this free money winnings is here. When we click on this particular tab on, you would find this is the particular website. This is a particular tab where you would be earning with different concept. Like you have a list of survey sites where you can click on it and you can see tons of information. You can see here how many offers are available and how many like surveys are available to you. All right, so you can see here if you there are nearly 27 and you can make $14 in this particular doing this particular stuff. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Just join in. Below the description you would find a link where if you join in you get a $1 bonus, and making this $14 is definitely damn easy. And I made this 50 cents in just 10 minutes. Okay, so what I did is I just went on videos. Okay, I just clicked on certain videos because there are certain videos which help me to watch for certain 60 seconds, and I was making like these kind of income. And there is even there is a content. Okay, when you click here, as of now there's not there, but when you click on this particular ad and you stay for 5 seconds, you get certain amount of money. Okay, and there's again a more time. You can see here when you watch this particular task and you get this particular money, and when you watch the slideshows also you can see here 7 slides and you make this particular money. All right, so and there's a lot of videos YouTube, and there's again different kinds of tasks like offer walls, and like that there is a task, there's the socials, there's a cashbacks, and this particular information, like there's a lot of information where you can scroll down and get into this particular websites and sign in for this service. Okay, this cashback is like when you're going for certain stores, you can get a cashback when you purchase something. Okay, if you are already a purchaser, so you can shop and you can get a cashback of this particular percentages which has been mentioned from this particular sites. So what a nice. And again you can even roll on. Okay, you get on a daily basis you get a chance of lottery sort of things where you can make play with the roll on stuff, and the minimum task which you need to do is minimum is like 10, and after that you get a chance to roll on, and you can make anywhere between 0.0 $2 to nearly $200. Okay, so I've already played in and I've already made 0.002, and when you play over here, you get a tab over here, and if you get this particular numbers, you make these kind of income. So if you're lucky enough, you would get definitely $100, which is paid instantly to your PayPal. So it's like really huge. You can see a lot of people who have already made tons of money over here on a daily regular basis. Okay, so this particular site is worldwide, so anybody from any part of this world can join in. And yes, when you join in, the link below in the description, you get $1 as a bonus. And yes, and if you have any questions related to this particular site, just comment below, and if you have any complexes, then just let me know so that I can help you out. And if you are looking out for more passive incomes, then there is a link in my description, so you can join in and check on what exactly I do it to make tons of money. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. All right, so take care. Bye bye.